Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And it is Mystery Nail Art Day, everybody's favorite day of the month. What episode is this? Like 16? You'll know by the title. It'll be in there. But it's December, so let's see what we've got. Alright, let's generate some numbers. We've got 395 and 351. Interesting that they are so close together. Let's see what those are. So, 395. Glitter grabber. It's a base coat. I don't think we should count that. That seems not effective. I need to put these in my exclusions. But let's roll that again. So 120 and 273. 120, 273. Let's start with 273 because that is the closer one. 273. A touch of cream from Nina. It is a brown and 120. Are you for realism? From Finger Paints. It's a copper brown shimmer. So nudie cream and copper brown shimmer. What interesting colors. Very consistent with what I've been getting recently anyway, but seasonally acceptable. Let me go grab them. Alright, so here are the two colors that we drew. Are you for realism? And a touch of cream. And for a little added decoration, I brought these sparkly glitters. But first we need a base coat. It's Orly Bonder. Okay, so I think we're just gonna do 2 nails with this and then more with the other one. As you can see, I've done a little decorating over here. There is no video for this, just photos. And you'll probably have noticed that my postings are very much out of order. And the reason for that is because I have recorded them in such a way. I had to get them all done ahead of time because I had some things coming up at the end of November that was going to put me out of commission for recording for a couple of weeks in early December. So I had to use the opportunity that I had to get things done when I could. And that didn't always mean that it was going to be in the correct order. And if you're wondering why I have little snagglies like this, it's because I have a peel-off base coat on under all of this that I put on like yesterday, intending to be able to get this done, but then I didn't. So now that peel-off base coat is fraying around the edges, but I am going to leave it there because I am still going to need it at some point. So we'll give this a moment to dry and then I will do a second coat and then be right back. Alright, so I've got the second coat on. Let's put on some China Glaze Fast Forward Quick Drying Top Coat. You know it's my favorite. Alright, so we'll give that a moment to dry. Alright, so these are dry enough to work on. I'm going to take this here glitter and I'm going to use my paint for it to stick to. And I'm going to paint a half a snowflake on this finger. So I'm going to put some of this on a palette and then I'm going to use this little brush. These are like the cheapest, crappiest brushes, but they're actually my favorite. Let's turn this so I can try not to get my other fingers in the way. So you want to go half. One thing about painting with regular nail polish is it bubbles. You can't exactly wipe the extra off. It just doesn't work that way. So you have to learn to work with it. Alright, and so once you've got your paint on there, you want to take your little glitter recycler. Probably open your glitter first would be helpful. And then sprinkle it on. Tappity, tappity, tappity to knock some of that off. And so we'll give that a moment to dry. And then we'll take this and just pour it back in our container. So I'll be back in a second. And actually, while we're waiting on that one, I'm going to try and paint us a little peppermint swirl over here. I am not fantastic at hand-painted nail art, but we're sure gonna give it a go. Maybe we should call it a cinnamon swirl since it's really brown. That seems fair to me. All right. Let's put some glitter on that one. Looking good. All right, I dusted it off. Look how great that looks. Now we're gonna go in and put some little lines on our snowflakes so that they can have more of a snowflake look. And then of course, some more glitter. That's it for that shade. But we've got this shade for the other fingers. And of course we'll be using the matching polish to stick it down. So over here we're gonna do a little bit of the striping like we do here. It's very popular. Sorry if you're all up in my hair, but this is the only way I can see. That is so pretty. And then on this finger we're gonna do us a little Frenchie. I'm gonna try and be fast with it so it doesn't dry. We're gonna come down to here with it. All right. And then for the thumb, I think we should go for another half a snowflake, but I want this one to be different somehow than the other. Or we'll just do a couple of corner snowflakes, actually. That'll be fine. So the way that's gonna work is we're gonna just start in the corner and pull out. And then like with the big one, we'll have to go back and put in the little details after this has had a chance to dry. So I'll be right back. All right, after a gentle dusting, here's what we've got. Looking really good. Now we need to go in and add a little bit of accent over here. And so what we're gonna do is use this dotting tool. Pick us up some blobs. Let's put a dot, and a dot. And then same thing here, dot, dot, dot. And then we'll glitter before those dry. They also kind of look like crowns, but we are able to add more decoration after. Tap off the excess, and then we wait for this to dry. And on these, because I didn't want to mess them up, I did go ahead and put on some Maniology smudge-free top coat so that when we go in with our real top coat, we don't smear everything. Be back in a moment. Okay, well, I have got this one finished up, and they've all had a little bit of smudge-free top coat, so now we're gonna go in with the China Glaze Fast Forward quick drying top coat one more time to seal everything in. What do you guys think? I think these are super cute. I am going to get you some outside photos as per the usual. You should be seeing those now. So for mystery nail art, I would say it was lucky that we got some complementary colors. As you know, we don't always. However, with them both being shades of brown, I feel like this would have been better for November than December, but beggars can't be choosers. I do like what we ended up with, and I like the glitter. I think it is cute, and I always love a little sparkle. We'll see what January has in store for us. I have not got to do near as many Christmas nails as I would have liked to this month, but because I had to do a lot of it in pre-recording and a lot of it was PR, there were some limitations. However, since I have gotten my videos taken care of, I will be able to do some freestanding non-video, just nail painting, and so there will be pictures of that. Make sure you are following my socials so that you can see those. And I think I want to slip in a couple little giveaways in December. I have some boxes of like gel polish and stuff that I'm obviously not going to be using, so I might as well give them away. My last couple of giveaways have been unsuccessful because nobody knew they were there, which is wild. I didn't put any announcements in any videos about any giveaways, so if I do stick them in, you will just have to find them in the description box, or I'll have to make a mini video or a short or something to let you know about it, or it may even be on Instagram. Who knows? Just keep an eye out at all of the places if you're interested in entering something like that. But that's it. I am gonna wrap this up here. Let me know what you would have done if you had gotten these colors for your own mystery nail art. And let me know what kind of content or videos you would like to see for the upcoming year. I definitely want to make the content that you want to see. And my calendar stays full, so the sooner I know, the easier it is for me to get it scheduled. But that's it. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your likes, your comments, your interaction. I appreciate all of it. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.